the last one is the checklist. You should use the checklists are very, very useful, and you should use them whenever you have like one task that it's one process that have several tasks, and you should do all of them regardless the time, regardless a strict order. For example, the way I use the checklist is to, when I have like a new product, when I launch a new product, you can set up the checklist there. And so, for example, whenever you start a new product, you create a new product, you have this checklist, like all the things that you have to do. For example, upload images, upload the listing copy, set up the campaign, enroll the product in Vine, start tracking keywords, and so on. Okay, so these are all things that you have to check, and that will give you, also you will have like a much more efficient process through checklists, that you will make sure that you will never forget anything.